Good afternoon, friends. Today is the 33rd day of the lockdown, and 8 days from now, hopefully, the government will open the lockdown and will allow industry to function normally. In my past 2-3 videos, I have spoken about the best practices, the challenges after the lockdown is open and you resume your factories, and the opportunities available after the lockdown period. Now, to implement most of the things what we are planning to do, we also need the government support. Today I am going to talk something which government needs to do for the benefit of the industry. Though government has announced various measures, possibly it will affect the production and the manufacturing of the manufacturing industries, but still we feel there are certain things which the government should do. One, they should relax the GST payment schedule to give a breather to the industry, and this will improve the cash flow. Second, there are certain appliances which attracts a 28% GST. If the government reduces the GST, it will improve the demand. The government should review the import policy with respect to the electronic products and components. There is a lot of companies will look forward for a joint venture or a contract manufacture. Hence, the government should ease out the rules of the joint venture and the contract manufacturing. Government should ease out the rules which are very stringent for the import of used machinery to be used for the purpose of R&D. This will help greatly to the industry. Government should remove the value addition clause from the import policy. This will also help the MSME sector. There are various incentive schemes available under the MSMEs, and the rules are very stringent. The government should simplify this. One step ahead, government should look forward some innovative method for rating the products manufactured in India, indicating the percentage of indigenization, so that the consumer are aware and may prefer to buy the Indian product against the imported product. Government should allow factories to work 2 shifts of 12 hours for the firms who are working 24 hours. This will reduce the risk of disease and reduce the movement of the people in the factory. And the funds and the other benefits for the foreign R&D firms must be reduced or withdrawn and allow the indigenization of R&D activities. Finally, government should allow the industry to work and should not monitor like a policeman. Whatever views I have expressed in my video are purely personal, and I advise the users to check with the certified expert before taking a final decision on the investment. Thank you very much and happy manufacturing.